Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn about parts of speech. Friends, when we speak, read or write English, it do not consist of single word, but a group of words that comes in different headings in different categories. And these categories are the first and the most common is noun, pronoun is related to noun, adjective, it is also related to noun and pronoun, verb, adverbs are related to verbs, articles we have, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections. These are the some most common parts of speech. These all come in our sentences when we speak, when we write, or when we read English. So first, in today's presentation, we are going to learn about noun and its type. A noun is a word that refers to a thing. Thing can be a book, a house, a hat, a person, Sadia, Arshia, Ahmed, an animal, talking about any animal, cat, dog, sparrow, a place, city or area or country, a quality. Quality, yes, quality also comes in noun and idea. Emotions, these all things also comes in nouns. I assume that you guys know that thing, person, animal or place comes in noun, but quality and idea, they both also comes in noun. A noun is a naming word. हम कहते हैं noun जगह का नाम, चीज का नाम, किसी का भी नाम. Noun is a naming word. It can be the name of a thing, place, person, animal or feeling. Like I live in Australia. मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रहती हूँ. Australia is a noun. Australia is a place. Mahi is my sister. Mahi मेरी बहन है. Mahi is a name of a person. I love to play with my dog. Dog is a noun that comes in animal. The name of this dog is Boo. I'm talking about a particular dog and its name is Boo. Pacific Ocean is very vast. The Pacific Ocean, it also comes in a place. Then moving towards the types of the nouns. We all know some few nouns, proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, but here we are going to discuss in each and every type of the noun. The first type of a noun is common noun, then proper noun. They both are related to each other. Collective noun, possessive noun, number noun, compound noun, countable, uncountable, abstract, and concrete noun. First of all, we are going to study about common versus proper noun. They both are similar to, sorry, they both are opposite to each other. That's why we are taking them together. A common noun refers to a person, place, or thing, but it is not the name of a particular person, place, or thing. किसी का भी मखसूस नाम नहीं. Here we are talking about a category of a human being, category of animals, category of birds. We are not taking any particular name. Like teacher teaches in school. Which teacher? I am talking about not a specific teacher. I am talking about all teachers. These chocolate cakes are too delicious. Which chocolate cake? I am not talking about proper. I am talking about common. Commonly chocolate cakes are too delicious. Animal, sunlight, happiness is also examples of common noun. Now, opposite to this is proper noun. Proper noun is the name of particular person, place or thing. It usually begins with a capital letter. Abraham Lincoln, Argentina, World War One are all proper nouns. Why they are proper nouns? Because these are the specific names given to different things. Abraham Lincoln, name given to a person. Argentina, name of a country. World War One, name of an event. Every Sunday, Mike visits church. Mike, here is a Mike is a proper noun. Why? Because M is capital, S is capital, Sunday. Her name is Hina. H is capital. Why? Because I'm talking about a particular girl. I'm talking about Hina. I'm not talking about all girls. So common noun, talking about each and everything commonly, and proper noun means specifically about one thing or one person. Then third type is collective noun, as clear from the name. Collective, इकट्ठा करके. Collective nouns are used to name a group of persons, animals, or things. A group of persons. We are not saying this is person. We are not saying this is animal. But instead of this, we use a collective noun, a panel of judges. We are not saying too many judges. We are saying a panel of judges, a crew of sailors, a stud of horses. It comes in animals, a stud of horses, a shoal of fish. बहुत सारी मछलियां एक जगह पे हैं, उसको हम कहेंगे a shoal of fish. A galaxy of stars, एंड एटलस ऑफ मैप्स. बहुत सारे मैप्स, डिफरेंट चीजों के मैप्स हमारे पास जब होते हैं तो उसको हम कहते हैं एटलस. वी आल्सो स्टडीड इट इन आवर स्कूल टाइम, एटलस एंड बुक ऑफ मैप्स. So this is collective noun. Okay, here you can observe that we have used a panel, a queue, a stood, a shore. They are in plural, but we are using a. A is used for singular and an atlas of the maps. Because this is collective noun, and in collective noun we use the article a and an. We consider it as a one. The next one is possessive noun. Possessive noun is a word that means who or what has or owns something. Possessive noun में बताया जाता है कौन सी चीज कौन सी जगह किसकी है. Who is the owner of something? That something can be anything. In possessive noun, we add apostrophe and s to show the possessiveness. And possessive noun are used in singular nouns. This is Ahmed's coat. Apostrophe s means का और की. This is Ahmed's coat. ये अहमद का कोट है. Ali's homework was not checked. Ali का काम चेक नहीं है. A girl's school is located near my house. लड़की का स्कूल मेरे घर के करीब है. So this is का. Possessiveness is apostrophe s, means showing the ownership of something, ownership of an action, ownership of a place. So this is for the possessive noun. Simply in possessive noun we use apostrophe s to show the ownership. Next is number noun. Again, number noun in the meanings are hiding in the name number noun. Number nouns are further divided into two things. First is singular and the second one is plural noun. Singular noun. It stands for one person, thing, place or animal. Ali, Jockey or Pakistan. But plural means more than one. It can be two, it can be three, or it can be thousand or millions. It stands for more than one person. Boys, bees, apples or cities or countries like Ali. So instead of Ali singular, we are saying boys. Dog, instead of dog, we are saying animals. He, instead of he, we are saying lots of things. Pakistan, instead of Pakistan, we are saying countries. So this is plural noun. Okay, converting singular noun into plural noun, it is a different debate. We have 7 rules for converting singular into plural noun. We are not going in that detail, but singular noun can be changed into plural noun by adding s, by adding es, or by converting it, transforming it into another word. So number noun defines the number of noun. How many noun are there? Singular or plural. Next we have compound. Compound means combination. So nouns are formed by joining two nouns together. Compound, chemistry, science, the combination of things. So two nouns together makes a compound noun. There are 3 different ways to form a compound noun. The closed form like notebook. One is closed form, one is hyphenated form, or one is open form. Closed form means two nouns are together without any space like notebook, fireplace, or keyboard. Hyphenated means there is a dash, no dash but hyphen. Hyphen in between two words like two nouns like X-ray, co-pilot, mother-in-law, sister-in-law. This is called hyphenated. Hyphen is there. And open form means two nouns but with a single space. Post office, history book, mineral water. Okay, so we have a compound noun, combination of two nouns together. दो noun को एक साथ इस्तेमाल करेंगे, लेकिन we have 3 rules for it. एक होता है closed, one is hyphenated, and other is open form. Now, moving towards countable and uncountable. Countable, the things, the nouns that we can count. वो चीजें जिसको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, जो हमारी गिनती के अंदर आते हैं. अनकाउंटेबल, जिसको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. वी आर नॉट able to count them. We are unable to count them, like infinite and infinite of sets. So what is countable noun and what are uncountable noun? Countable noun. Nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns. I saw two owls sitting on the tree. मुझे साफ दिख रहा है because number is small. Okay, countable nouns जब number small होंगे so we can easily count them. But if there is a thousands like stars, talking about stars, star is uncountable noun. Why? Because there are lots of stars and we are unable to count them. Nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. The second name for uncountable nouns is mass noun. Mass means a lot, such as milk, rain, sugar, water, can. It is a liquid. Can we count them? No. Sugar is solid. Can we count them? No. Gas. Gas is in gaseous form, so we can count it. No. Stars. We cannot count the stars. In galaxy, can we count different things in galaxy? No, we are unable to count them. Fish in the sea. Can we count them? No, they are uncountable nouns. The mass noun. Those things that we can count are called countable nouns, means small quantity of something. Abstract noun versus concrete nouns. Here, you can observe that I am using we as versus because those nouns that are opposite of each other, so it is an easy way to learn them. So abstract noun in comparison to concrete noun. What is abstract noun? Noun is a word of something that cannot be seen but is there. In my first slide, what I told you, emotions, our feelings, that is abstract noun, that we cannot see them, but we can feel them. We know there is something. It has no physical existence. Again, we cannot see them. Generally, it refers to ideas, qualities, and conditions. Truth, lies, happiness, sorrows. Truth means such, lies, truth, happiness, खुशी, sorrow, gum, time, work, friendship, दोस्ती, humor, अफवाह, patriotism, जज्बा, काम के लिए जज्बा. So what are these? These are the qualities, these are ideas, our feelings. Abstract noun in simple words are our emotions, our feelings that cannot be seen, can be felt. On the other hand, opposite to it, concrete noun is the exact opposite of abstract. It refers to the things we see and have physical existence. Abstract concrete noun are the things that we can see and that have some existence that can be touched, like chair, table, every living thing, non-living thing. We can see them. We can feel their exist. Abstract noun is about our emotions, about our feelings, and concrete noun is about the things that we see. Mostly when we are defining noun, we are defining types of noun, we always talk about the concrete nouns, but abstract noun is also there, our emotions and our feelings. So guys, I hope this was a good presentation for the noun and its type, easy and shortest presentation. In next video, we will going to talk about the pronouns. We only know about the pronouns. Pronouns, the words that are used instead of noun. But do you know that there are also types of pronouns? So in our next video, we are going to discuss what are the types of the pronouns and after that, adjectives, verbs and verbs. In each and every video, we will talk about one part of speech. So for today, noun were discussed. I hope you guys understood it in a better form. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.